temp is dropping. It's supposed to get down into the teens.
Haha, you gotta build a snowman, right?
Power just went out.
Dang.
Super duper.
Hey everybody, in today's video we're going to be reacting to one of my dear friends' channels, Almost Homestead. These are my friends Jay and Jen that live in northern Washington. The video we're going to be reacting to today is called Preparing for Freezing Temps and Snow. Now I'll tell you, whenever I was there, I think I wore a hoodie the whole time I was there, and I was there in August. So I don't really think it gets warm there, it just gets less cold there. Anyway, let's check it out. Oh, it's one of those, oh yeah, I've seen these. It's like one of those slings that you can carry your firewood in. That's pretty nice. Pretty fancy. It seemed to be in his way whenever he was throwing the firewood though. Maybe you gotta like sling it around your back so it's not like in the way. Such a cool cabin. I love this place. I stayed here for 2 weeks. It really felt like home too. It's so cool. It's a lot of firewood. Crazy how much vegetation there still is. Like everything's green.
Welcome back to the channel.
Now it's white.
we didn't get our blizzard conditions with 3 feet of snow, but today we're finally getting a little snow. We've got about 4 inches, 4.5 inches right now.
A little snow.
And yeah,
man,
the temp is dropping. It's supposed to get down into the teens between now and the weekend. Today is I'm guessing today's Thursday, maybe Wednesday, Thursday. Yeah.
Look at these giant boulders. It's like here up here's the parking area, and there's these giant boulders, and they're even bigger in person, but just so beautiful. I love that.
One of those days. By the weekend, we're down into the teens, possibly the single digits. Let's go check out the chickens, see how they're doing
here. Oh my goodness, look at all that powdery snow.
Now, in preparation for the blizzard conditions we were supposed to get, and for the cold, I wrapped up the runs here, the chicken runs, with plastic, and this I just kind of peeled open since the wind didn't come, but it's protected from snow blowing in here even now. Oh, got a little birdie in here. I keep having to let them out.
They know where the food's
so
at.
They've got it, no snow in here, and maybe the plastic surrounding it will keep it a little warmer.
It has to help.
And I gave them some fresh bedding today, so let's get them a treat.
All right, here we go. That's awesome.
So on this side. All right, hi, Gingy Bird.
I remember they had a bad fire this last summer. They had a bad fire like really close to their house, and they took their chickens in their car with them, and they actually made the news. Like a newspaper wrote an article, or maybe online, about how they had their chickens in their car. Hey, these are our animals, man. We're taking them with us.
I do have a heater for the waterer that I will hook up. The cord is already in here, ready to go.
Nice.
And that'll keep that thing from freezing as the temps keep dropping here. The other thing we did is we picked up a heater for this barrel.
Nice.
This is the chicken water, so I'll probably plug that in tonight when I put them to bed, because it's going to start getting really cold. So that should keep this 55-gallon barrel from freezing.
DD5, that's what you need for your trailer water.
Okay, so my neighbor just informed me that the power just went out.
Dang.
Super duper. So I do have solar lights in there from a little Harbor Freight 100-watt solar setup. It gives me 2 lights. So that'll be cool. And then I have plenty of firewood. But right now I'm going to head up to our other property where the trailer is, and I'm going to use this little roof rake thingy to clear the roof, because as things freeze up, that snow on top of the trailer roof will get real heavy, and I don't want it to rip my gutters off.
Good thinking. So this is his driveway area right here, like I was saying, above the cabin there. And he owns another property up the road, so that's where we're going. Look at all that powdery snow. Hey, that's a great camera angle. It's just like a winter wonderland there. Gosh, so much snow. Everything's covered.
All right, there it is.
It's so awesome. Whenever I was up there, they had just got this building, and now he's completely gutted it and cleaned it all up, put all the new wood inside and everything, made it really nice.
I braced up the gutters best I can on both sides, just in case I didn't get up here and we got a bunch of snow overnight. That way it wouldn't rip the gutters off. So I'll leave those braces in place. But yeah, I'm gonna have to come, I think I'll have to get a ladder so I can get high enough to get up there. I didn't bring all the extensions for that roof rake, but should be fine.
What is that thing? It's got a cloth too. It's got some fancy snow tools. Oh, okay. Put it under there, and then the snow gets on top of the cloth, and then you just flip it off, maybe? Okay. Oh, yeah, I see. Yep, that's pretty smart. I guess it's better than dragging something across the top of your roof every time you clean the snow off. Man, what a bunch of work. And it just keeps snowing and snowing. It's like a never-ending job.
That should do it. I just wanted to get the bulk of it off of there, just so there's not a bunch of heavy stuff frozen up there.
Haha, you gotta build a snowman, right?
Later, dude. All right.
These are like raised bed gardens, you guys. And this is like a little greenhouse. This is the river that runs behind his house. So beautiful. I've sat on these rocks. Swam right here. Well, swam. I was in the water, okay? So amazing. Looks like a Christmas postcard.
All right, it is Friday morning. Yesterday was Thursday, apparently. And right now it is 17.5 degrees. Gonna let the chickens out. I see there's another little bird inside the coop. I'll let him out first. I plugged this in last night.
Still froze.
And it is not warm. So I need to figure out, I'll test that plug over there. If it's not the plug, then this thing
junk
needs to be returned.
Good idea, though.
I think I'm also going to put some wood chips on the ground in here for a little bit of insulation from that cold floor. And there's the birds.
Yep, they know where the food's at.
There too. Okay. The power and internet came back on about 11:51 last night.
Nice. 11:51. I mean, who's counting? But
That was nice. Come on, guys. They usually won't come out until I go around to the back and make some noise.
Yep, there went
one. Pull this down. And went another one out there, I can see. I should be able to get out. Okay.
Such a beautiful cabin.
When I got up this morning, there goes one. It was 18.5 degrees, and
Half a degree.
in an hour I went down to 17.6. So I think we're just going to keep getting a little colder. So there's some wood chips. We got the...
We're about to get a crazy cold front, and it's going to be -3 here. I am dreading it.
heater for the water plugged in. We'll get the water in there and let the chickies out.
I guess it's just like kind of a hot plate, and the thing just sits on top of it.
Hi, chickies. Hi, girls.
They're like, brrr.
All right, you guys ready to get out? There you go.
I bet it was pretty warm in there.
Hi, girls. There's sweet girl. Hi, Gingy. You're good to go.
Yeah, just like a little hot
Feels
plate.
like that's warming up. We'll check it in a little bit here. They do have this other space over here that they go into with a couple of perches they can get up on. All right, chickies. Okay, so I just checked this heater for the barrel here, and it seems to be working now, so we'll see how that goes.
Nice. Here's the river again behind his house. Those gigantic rocks. Hey, the train. Oh, this is like the best shot. It's hard to see it with all the snow falling, but that's awesome. He's got some train tracks that run right behind that river, and we were just sitting there watching the train roll by. It was so cool. Oh, nice. We got some drone footage, too. Huge trees. Amazing. We climbed this mountain right here. I'm pretty sure we climbed, I think this is Mount Persis. I actually just did a reaction to it of us climbing it. But yeah, this is the mountain right here that we climbed. What a beautiful view. Like that. Is that not just like the perfect picture right there? Incredible. Wow. Okay, now that's the perfect picture. This is my thumbnail right here, guys. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I climbed to the top of this mountain. Wow. I don't remember what this is. Like, it looks like just puffy snowballs everywhere. That doesn't look real familiar to me though. It's beautiful. Jay, you absolutely killed it, man. Beautiful video. I think that Jay lives in the most beautiful place out of all of our people. Man, that's absolutely incredible. In the summer, it's beautiful, and in the winter, it's beautiful. I'm glad I'm seeing it from here, not from there. But yeah, I'd sit by you. I'd sit by the wood stove with you, though. And all right, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, I have a playlist with all my friends' videos, and I'm going to add this to that playlist. Also, go check out my buddy Almost Homestead's channel. They live obviously in a beautiful place, and they got a lot of cool stuff going on over there. So go check them out. And if you guys enjoyed the video, come back again tomorrow because we'll be watching something else. See you then.